with Dr. Mel. I'm Dr. Mel, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 dead bug variations. The dead bug is a great exercise to strengthen the core. It can help relieve back pain as well. So let's get started. We're going to start in a supine position, back flat on the floor. You want to squeeze your abdominal muscles so all your vertebrae in the lumbar spine is flat against the floor. Once you have it, raise your knees up. Your knees should be directly over your hips, and you want to raise your arms up, shoulders and hands in one line. So pressing your hands up towards the ceiling, squeezing your abdomen down, you're going to hold for 30 seconds. You should be able to keep your arms pressed up, contracting your shoulder muscles, and also maintain abdominal stabilization throughout entire 30-second count. If you're able to do this successfully, then and only then will you progress to the next exercise. The next exercise is toe taps. So you're staying in the same position. Hands up, shoulders protracted, knees in line with hips, abdomen tight, and then you can begin your toe taps. So this second progression, you're going to do 30 toe taps. You want to maintain protracted shoulders as well as a strong core throughout the entire 30 seconds. If you're able to maintain this, and only if you're able to maintain this, you can advance to the next exercise. It's very important not to advance if you don't have proper form, because then you're going to hurt your back instead of help it. The last progression is alternating arms and legs. So you're going to extend the left leg out as you extend the right arm out. Only extend the leg and arm as far as you can if you're maintaining that back flat. If you're extending the leg and your back is curved, you went too far. So only go as far as you can while maintaining your back completely flat against the floor. You can do a 30 count alternating arms and legs to finish. Well, there you have it, 3 dead bug variations. If you like the content I shared today, please subscribe. I love when my viewers subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram and Facebook at Live Well with Dr. Mel. As always, stay healthy and well, and take care.